Hello, this is Joe Pryor, the virtual real estate team in Oklahoma. And, I've got a message for not just the Oklahomans buying property, either investors or people buying to live in those homes, but this could be for anybody in the United States. In the last couple of years, in this COVID era, which is what it is, we've seen a tremendous amount of buying going on. It's almost like a shark feeding frenzy. We've seen markets go up 50% per year. In Oklahoma City, 13% per year for the last couple of years. So we're a little bit more regulated in that particular respect. But huge increases. And here's the problem. I'm going to suggest that you have a conversation with your insurer for your home, regardless of whether you're an investor or an owner-occupant. And here's why. You may have bought what's called replacement value insurance, which to my mind, and probably everybody's mind, replacement value. That means even though I bought the house at $150,000 and I have a total loss from a fire and I have to rebuild the thing, then that means no matter what it costs, hey, they're gonna do it. They're gonna pay for it. And the insurance company is gonna be on the hook first, and all I have to do is pay my deductible. That is incorrect. Replacement value has a limit. It has a cap. So if you bought that house years ago at $150,000, it may be selling right now for $250,000 in terms of new construction. And remember, in new construction, it's based on the cost approach. What does it cost for concrete? What does it cost for plumbing? What does it cost for sheetrock? Everything. Now, it may not cost you $250,000, but it may cost you $200,000 to $210,000 to rebuild a house. Remember, you got to destruct it also. You got to tear it apart, including the slab. You've got to start over. All right? And what you're going to find out is your cap rate for how much the insurance company is going to pay is not going to be equal to the cost of replacing that house. $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 or more, depending on the market you're in, even more than that. So what you need to do, and my recommendation is, and I'm not going to tell you whether you should raise it, because if you don't, short-term wise, you're out less money. Long-term wise, if something really bad happens, it may be a problem. But please, at least consult with your insurer. Ask about, what do you think of my current policy? What do you think happens with the current policy I have if I have a total loss? And find out what you might need to do to insure that home properly. What we don't want to see is somebody getting into tremendous financial difficulty because you want to save a few dollars. So consult with your insurer, and wherever you are, find out if right now with this rise in prices, if your insurance is enough to keep you safe. And I hope it is, because we don't want anybody to be harmed by something bad happening.